May you be blessed with an ever-expanding life.
Hey, this is Billy from Ever Expanding Life. Today we're going to take a look at one of the cymbals for this electronic drum set that's not working and see if we can fix it. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you check out all of our content on our website, everexpandinglife.com. So there's nothing wrong with this cymbal that we can't fix. I've been having trouble with this cymbal. The wires have been breaking loose from all the impact, but I've been able to reattach them with conductive electrical glue. But this time I think the piezo element is shot. I've been waiting for some time to do this repair because it's taken a while for these to get here. Now, I only really needed one, but they're not that expensive, and this was the best deal I could find. So we're going to take out the old piezo element and put in this new one. First thing I'm going to do is clip this wire and separate the electrical board from the piezo element. Now, since I have to get to the other side of this electrical board to wire up the piezo element, I'm going to take this out. Now I've got to pop this old piezo element out of here. It's glued right into the cymbal. I'm going to clean this up with some rubbing alcohol. Now that we've got the old piezo element out and remove the board, we need to take the old wires out of the board. They're held on with some hot glue on this side, some solder on the other side. So we're going to use a hot glue gun and a soldering iron. I'm using a hot glue gun to remove the old hot glue. Now we're going to soften the solder and feed the wires of our new piezo element back in. So we just soften the solder and slip the new wire right in. I'm going to do the other one. Now that the piezo element's connected to the board, we need to put the board back in. Now we're going to glue the piezo element in place. And we're going to glue these wires back in place. And that should do the trick. So let's test it out. Our cymbal's working, so job well done. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, share, and subscribe, and be sure to check out all of our content on our website, everexpandinglife.com. And until next time, may you be blessed with an ever-expanding life.
Ever-expanding life.